if you can see it or not. $2.13. Highway robbery. Huh. Okay. We're going to try something new and different. We're going to go get some gasoline and see what it takes to fill this thing up. It's pretty low, I believe, down to the last square or two in gas. Not sure why the Bluetooth microphone is coming and going when I get very far away from the camera. That doesn't sound right. We're on the iPhone only, no GoPro. So there won't be any switching back and forth the cameras. Gonna go down to the gas station. I never fill this thing from the gas station. I usually get my lawnmower gas cans and fill this up because it takes somewhat less than a gallon every time I fill it up. Yeehaw. Okay. Number one most exciting thing that happens is me going down that stupid ramp. Only thing more exciting is me going up that ramp. I don't know if you can see it or not. $2.13. Highway robbery. $108 miles for 0.547 worth of gas. Yeah, that'll be pretty big. Okay, got my tripometer set. 2,196 miles on this bike. Well, we'll see you on the next one. Like and subscribe.